Achieving radiant skin doesn't always require expensive beauty products. In fact, some of the most effective remedies are right in your own kitchen. Today, we'll explore 8 home remedies that will bring out your natural glow. 1. Avocado mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that deeply nourish your skin. Mash a ripe avocado and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 2. Green tea toner. Brew some green tea and let it cool down. Apply it to your face using a cotton pad. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and promote youthful-looking skin. 3. Cucumber slices. Place chilled cucumber slices on your eyes for 10 minutes. Cucumbers have a cooling effect that reduces puffiness and soothes tired eyes, leaving you feeling refreshed. 5. Coconut oil moisturizer. After cleansing your face, apply a small amount of coconut oil as a natural moisturizer. It hydrates the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Remember, a little goes a long way. 6. Lemon juice brightener. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl and dilute it with equal parts water. Using a cotton ball, apply the mixture to your face. The citric acid in lemons helps brighten your complexion and evens out your skin tone. 7. Strawberry face mask. Blend a handful of strawberries and mix them with a tablespoon of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Strawberries contain vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids that rejuvenate and revitalize the skin. 8. Aloe vera soothing gel. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from a plant or use store-bought gel. Apply it to irritated or sunburned skin for instant relief. We know aloe vera for its soothing and healing properties. Discovering your natural glow is as simple as exploring your kitchen and embracing the power of nature's remedies. Try these 8 home remedies and unlock the radiant skin you deserve.